Hi friends, welcome back. If you are new, my name is Aileen. Welcome to my channel. Let's go jump into our Easter decor DIY projects. For this DIY, you need this placemat from Hobby Lobby. I got it for 90% off last year, but they also have it this year. Then I will be using this wreath form from Dollar Tree. I'm trying to form an egg shape and I just used my hand and it was easy. Then I just used the hot glue to attach the placemat on the wreath form. After cutting the extra piece of the placemat, you can see that there are loose strands, so I just hot glued it. And I will be putting some greeneries, the cattail from Dollar Tree, the belly button pick from Walmart. These are so cute, and I just inserted them in the wreath form. I also use hot glue for the small greeneries, and you can use any greeneries that you have on hand. And also just keep playing with the arrangement of your greeneries. Don't be scared because here I'm just playing around and once I'm happy then I stop, and then once I see that it needs more greeneries, I just added some greeneries. So if I can do it, you can do it too. Just keep playing on the arrangement. Then I will be adding this bird nest with the greenery that I got also from Hobby Lobby last year. And I just hot glued it and it's a nice touch for this DIY. Then we have this shadow box from Dollar Tree. We only need the bless this nest wooden letters. I just hot glued it on the placemat. For the hanger, I'm using this vine that I have on hand. You can use twine or anything that you have. And I just tied it on the wreath form. Then after that, I feel like it needs more greenery, so I added this heather pick. And you're done with this DIY. So what do you think of this project? For the next DIY, you need this wired tray from Dollar Tree. I just spray painted it with my matte black Krylon. I let it dry and then again we will be using the placemat from Hobby Lobby. I just wrap it like this, then I use the zip tie to tie it. I use 6 zip ties at the back to tie the placemat. And guys, I am joining a DIY challenge called the Easter DIY challenge hosted by Heidi Sonboul, and we have a playlist. I will put the link of Heidi and the playlist in the description box below, so make sure to check it out because there are a lot of ladies who joined and they are very talented, so make sure to check it out. And this is how it looks like after cutting the extra piece of the placemat. There's a lot of loose strands, but it's okay, you can just hot glue it. Then I will be adding the floral foam from Dollar Tree. I just cut it into size. And I will be adding these grass. This is also from Dollar Tree, and I also pick up the Easter egg picks. These are so cute. I added 3 colors and some dahlias. I think I got the dahlias from Walmart for 97 cents, but I ended up changing it later on. I will show you how it looks. Then I added more greeneries, and I am making a simple burlap bow, and I just hot glue it on the side. To cover the floral foam, I used the Spanish moss, and I just stuck it on the placemat like this. Then to add more details, I grabbed the wooden bunny. I stained it with my antique wax, and I also covered the hole of the ear of the bunny with the simple twine bow, and I grab a skewer, hot glue it at the back of the bunny, and I wrote Happy Easter. You can use stickers or you just handwrite it like this. And then I poke the bunny on the floral foam, and this was the time that I realized it's a bit busy. That's why I removed the dahlia, and I exchange it with the Easter eggs, and this is how it looks. So what do you think of this project? I hope you like it. And this is how it looks with the dahlias. So tell me on the comment below, what do you prefer, the egg or the dahlias? For the next DIY, we will be using the shadow box that you saw on my first DIY when we removed the bless this nest words. And we will be using the leftover placemat from the first project. First, I removed the metal tabs at the back of the shadow box, then I hot glued the placemat. I also cut the placemat and hot glued all the loose strands. Then I grab some long strands to finish up the side of the placemat like this. We will be using the wooden bunny and the scrapbook paper. I traced the bunny, cut it, and used the stick glue to attach it. You can use any scrapbook that you have. Then just use the sandpaper to finish the side of the bunny. I also used my antique wax to distress the side of the bunny. To make the bunny stand, I will be using this wood blocks from Dollar Tree, and I just hot glue it on the back of the bunny and on the shadow box. Then we will be using a welcome sign from Hobby Lobby. I stained it with my antique wax using the wet wipe and hot glue it on the placemat. And for the extra details, I will be adding the Spanish moss on the shadow box, and it looks like a dry grass for the bunny. And I think it's a good touch. Then I added some greeneries and I made a simple twine bow and I attach it on the greeneries. And I want to make a small carrots, but I don't have it, so I just use the burlap ribbon. I just roll it like this and voila, I have my small carrots. The carrots that we made is very bright for the project, so I used the antique wax to distress it, and it's like a dirty carrot. Then I just hot glue it on the shadow box and I made a simple raffia bow. Then you're done with this DIY. Ta-da! Here is our DIY. I really love how it turned out, and please let me know on the comment below what do you think of this project and what is your favorite. So thanks again for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe and click the notification bell. That's it, guys. See you on my next DIY on March 2. I will have a collab. Yeah, so bye-bye. Take care and God bless you all.